Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. We are picking few cards. So today I will not be giving the timestamp, Cancer, so you can watch till the end of the reading for better clarity. And these are for your general energies, Cancers, your career and relationship. And for your oracle guidance, we will be picking one card. So we will see what is the card as we proceed. And if you like this reading and if it resonates, Cancers, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So, in your circumstances, it may be in your work or it may be in your relationship. You are feeling a little sad or stressed over something. Maybe you are sick, suffering from some minor illness, or it may be some worries you may have about your circumstance. Maybe you have chosen a new path or a new career choice, you have made a new choice, and that may be the reason for anxiety. Maybe you want to do well, you want to give it your best, and you're trying your best, but this new path that you have chosen, you may lack that experience and knowledge, and that may be the reason you are worried about that. And maybe you feel that you are struggling to cope up with that pressure, with that job pressure, or it may be some circumstance you are worried about in this relationship. You love this person, you are trying for a beautiful relationship, a harmonious, balanced relationship with this person. But you see a lot of confusion, instability in this relationship. Maybe because this person is not understanding you, or there is a lack of communication, something is not right, something is not working as you had hoped for. It may be because of the difference in your vision, the difference in their perception or their ideas. So they have a different mindset. The way they see circumstances are quite different, and the way you see your circumstance is different. That may be the reason for lack of understanding, or it may be something they are holding. It may be some secrets or hidden motives on their part. So it may be a past secret or something they need to tell you, and they are feeling really guilty and sad because they are unable to tell you these secrets. They do not have that courage and confidence to come out with this truth because they fear that you may leave them. You may leave them if you know the truth, if you know the truth about this person. So a lot of emotions are worrying them, maybe Cancers, making this relationship very what to say, unstable, and that is the reason they are not coming out with the truth. They are not able to tell you anything because they love you, they want you in their life, and they are worried that you will leave them if you know the truth about them. So that is the reason for their fears and this feeling of guilt, shame, and embarrassment. But I see a good change in your future, Cancers. So maybe in this love, this person may overcome their inhibitions, whatever is holding them back from revealing the truth to you, whatever guilt or sadness. So they will get the courage to communicate to you, and there is a new beginning in love waiting to unfold for both of you. Positive changes are what I see. So maybe today you may feel a little stressed or sad, but beautiful changes are happening, Cancers. Something good is coming very soon. So let's see what is the oracle guidance. Chaos and conflict. So chaos and conflict may be the present circumstance. You may feel a lot of stubbornness and opposition today in you or in this person, and deep down you want everything to be resolved, everything to change, and for that you must not be stubborn. So you must try to be really flexible. So we need not be right each and every time. So you must think for yourself what is the most important thing for you today. So you need to hold on to that, and the things that you can negotiate or change, you can change those. So you need to give this relationship time to heal. Maybe those stormy emotions will just pass, and you will see that situation will change if you make use of this time constructively. This may be the time that everything is rearranging in your relationship. You will be able to understand them deeply, and they will be able to understand you deeply. And if you make use of this time constructively, everything is going to change in a very positive way, Cancers. So that is the energy here with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, Cancers. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.